Good evening, children. Today we will discuss a question on trigonometry. It is linked with algebraic formulas. The question is, if cos square theta is a square minus 1 by 3 and tan square theta by 2 is equal to tan alpha whole power 2 by 3, then sin alpha whole power 2 by 3 plus cos alpha whole power 2 by 3 is equal to dash. This is a question. So how to proceed with this question I will be discussing now. See, so when I am talking about the solution, first cos square theta is given and the other condition is given in terms of tan square of theta by 2. We know the identity that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So with the given condition, tan square theta by 2 is equal to tan alpha whole power 2 by 3. We can write that sin square theta by 2 by cos square theta by 2 is equal to sin power 2 by 3 alpha by cos power 2 by 3 alpha. Now we can say that sin square theta by 2 is k times of sin power 2 by 3 alpha and cos square theta by 2 is k times of cos power 2 by 3 alpha, we can say. Now in the next step we are using the identity that sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 is equal to k times of sin power 2 by 3 alpha plus cos power 2 by 3 alpha. But we know that sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 is 1. So 1 is equal to k times of sin power 2 by 3 alpha plus cos power 2 by 3 alpha. We can take. So let it be, let sin power 2 by 3 alpha plus cos power 2 by 3 alpha as something p. Something p. Now we are getting condition that 1 is equal to k times of p, k into p. This is one of the condition we are getting. Right. Let it be equation 1. Now we need to calculate the value of this. We are supposing it as p. Now when I go for algebraic formula cubing this equation, so sin power 2 by 3 alpha plus cos power 2 by 3 alpha is equal to p. If I cube on both sides, whole cube is equal to, I can say, p cube. Now, so we are using the formula a plus b whole cube. We know the formula of a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So here what we are learning, how we are using algebra in trigonometry. to solve this model of questions we are using here. Now, a plus b whole cube formula we know. If I go for that application for this a plus b whole cube, then I will be getting, we will be getting clearly sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus 3 into sin power 2 by 3 alpha into cos power 2 by 3 alpha into sin power 2 by 3 alpha plus cos power 2 by 3 alpha. It's like a cube plus b cube plus 3a into b into a plus b. That is equal to, we are having p cube. That is equal to, we are having p cube. Now coming to this, here you are observing an identity. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. 1 plus 3 into, now we can replace sin power 2 by 3 alpha with sin square theta by 2 divided by k. So now I am replacing that, so that you will be getting sin square of theta by 2 by k into, even we are replacing cos power 2 by 3 alpha from here, that I can replace with cos square of theta by 2 divided by k into this, we are supposing it as p. We suppose it as p. That is equal to, we are having p cube. That is equal to, we are having p cube. Now, on simplifying this, we will be getting 1 plus 3 into 1 by k square. Now I can write the remaining sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 whole square into p is equal to p cube, is equal to p cube. Now, in the next step, I can write 3 by k square. Now inside this bracket I am multiplying 2, I am also dividing with 2, so that 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 whole square, means 4 is multiplied here. So 4 with 4 we need to divide. The value should not change. So into p must be is equal to p cube, I can say. Okay, na? Now 1 plus 3 by 4 k square into 2 sin theta cos theta, that we know it is sin 2 theta. So sin 2 theta, sin of 2 into theta by 2, 2 gets cancelled, so that we are getting sin theta whole square into p is equal to p cube. Now we know the relation between cos square theta and sin square theta. This sin square theta I can write in terms of cos square theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta. So then you can write it as 1 plus 3 by 4k square, or 3p divided by 4k square into 1 minus cos square theta I can write. That is equal to p cube. That is equal to PQ. But we know that cos square theta is what? A square minus 1 divided by 3. Then you will be getting 1 plus 3 by 4k square into 1 minus a square minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to PQ. Yes. On simplifying this, we will get 1 plus 3p divided by 4k square into denominator is 3 for us. So 3 minus a square minus into minus, it will be plus. So plus 1. That is equal to PQ. So 3 gets cancelled. Then you are getting 1 plus p by 4k square into 4 minus a square is equal to PQ. Is equal to PQ. Right. Now on simplifying this, we will get 4k square plus 4p minus p a square is equal to 4k square into PQ. Now I can say 4k square plus 4p minus p into a square is equal to 4 into k into p whole square, that is k square p square into p. But we know that k into p is 1. So replacing here, you will be getting 4k square plus 4p minus p a square is equal to, you are getting 4 into 1 into p, that is 4p. So 4p we can cancel. Now we can write 4k square minus p a square is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now we can say 4k square is equal to p into a square. P into a square. But the relation between k and p is k into p is 1. So now I want to get in terms of p. Why? Because we need to calculate the value of p. So k can be replaced with what? 1 by p. So 1 by p whole square is equal to p into a square. Now you can say 4 into 1 by p square, that is 4 by p square is equal to p into a square. Now 4 is equal to p cube into a square, you can write. So p cube we can write it as 4 by a square. So p cube we can write it as 2 by a whole square. So p we can write it as 2 by a whole power 2 by 3. This is what p for us. What is p for us? What we supposed p? P is nothing but sin power 2 by 3 alpha plus cos power 2 by 3 alpha. So sin power 2 by 3 alpha plus cos power 2 by 3 alpha is equal to 2 by a power 2 by 3. This is what the answer for that question. To solve this question, what is needed here? The patience. So we need to solve with patience. We should not lose our patience while solving a question. Some questions will go lengthy, but still we are going with confidence, means we will be getting the answer.